Okay, good morning, Miss. Today we are going to do the information. Our information is about homework, vocabularies, and some memory. I will show you the homework first. So here it is from 19. We can start from mathematical first. Bagi soal
baru 10 jumlah siswa laki 12 dan perempuan 18, berapa jumlah seluruh siswa? Maka ada 40 siswa. Oke, berapa?
40 atau berapa?
30. Oke, sebuah survei menunjukkan 15 siswa matematika, siswa 15 siswa matematika, 10 siswa IPA dan 5 siswa IPS. Berapa banyak siswa yang disurvei? Ada 30 siswa.
Oke.
Dalam grafik pertama, jumlah pengunjung perpustakaan selama 5 hari adalah 10, 12, 8, dan 15. 15 dan 5. Berapa total pengunjung selama 5 hari? Ada 50. Diagram lingkaran menunjukkan 25% suka apel, 38% suka pisang, dan sisanya suka jeruk. Berapa persen siswa yang menunjukkan siswa? Berapa persen siswa yang suka jeruk?
Oke, 40%. Now sekarang kita ke pertanyaan nomor 12.
Jika 40 siswa disurvei dan 10 siswa suka olahraga, maka yang suka olahraga adalah
baik, bisa dilanjutkan mengerjakan soal nomor 6. Jadi ada penjelasannya.
Jika 40 siswa disurvei dan 10 siswa suka olahraga, maka yang suka olahraga adalah 1/4. Karena pertama kita buat pecahan dari 40 dan 10. 40 kita jadikan pembilangan bawah karena itu adalah total dari 10 siswa.
Itu masih.
Oke, 40 menjadikan pembilangan bawah dan 10 menjadikan pembilangan atas. Masing-masing pembilangan kita bagi menjadi 10 pembilangan sama.
Kita sederhanakan.
Oke, jadi 10 dari 10 sama dengan 1 dan 40 dari 10 sama dengan 4 sama dengan 4. Jadi sama dengan 4.
Lanjut soal nomor 6.
Oke, dalam sebuah diagram batang, ini batang menunjukkan nilai 5, 7, 10, dan 8. Rata-rata nilai tersebut adalah 7,5.
7,5 ini cara membacanya berarti.
Oke, jadi pertama kita jumlahkan dulu semua angka yang ada di sini kita jumlahkan, baru kita bagikan yang banyak data.
Oke, jumlah data berbanyak data. Berarti jumlah datanya ada 30 ya.
Kita bagikan dengan data.
Oke. Nomor 7.
Jika 60% siswa mengenai bola dan sisanya tidak, maka yang tidak suka bola adalah 40%.
40%. Nomor 8.
Sebuah kelas memiliki 20 siswa. Jika 5 siswa absen hari ini, maka yang ada adalah 15.
Ini soal nomor 9.
Oke, jika sebuah angka yang kedua sama matematika berarti sesuai sama matematika. Pertama, untuk mengetahui kedua angka dan tiga dua, kita bagikan dulu sebuah angka. Oh iya, oke kita kalikan dulu 1/4 dikali dengan 32, maka kita mendapat hasil 1 dikali 32 sama dengan 32 per 4. Nah, jawabannya sederhana menjadi 8.
Berarti 32 bagi 4 adalah 8. Berarti 8 orang yang semua. Soal 12.
Oke, ada 3 kotak yang berisi bola sebagai berikut: kotak pertama 2, kedua 4 dan kotak ketiga 6 Maka hasilnya berapa? Berapa kotaknya? Kita bagikan dulu 12 bagi 3 sama dengan 4.
Ini sekarang masuk ke soal.
Pola grafik menggunakan baratan untuk mengembalikan nilai dari berbagai kategori aku pola grafik yang menggunakan negara yang dibagi menjadi beberapa sektor untuk menunjukkan proporsi data aku berbeda. Dari waktu ke waktu atau kategori yang berupa aku garis. Oke, aku mau data yang berbeda dan masih berupa seperti apa aku dalam data atau bagaimana?
Oke, data data atau bagaimana? Nomor 18.
Nomor 18. Terus mengumpulkan data, mengatur, menganalisis, menafsirkan dan menjadikan data tersebut statistika atau analis data.
Statistika atau pengolahan data. Nomor 19.
Bagian pada grafik yang menunjukkan skala atau nilai sumbu. Judul yang jelas dan kita sebagai satu grafik lalu berfungsi untuk membaca sebuah tabel berjelas. Judul yang jelas dan kita sebagai sebuah grafik atau tabel berfungsi untuk membaca data atau membaca informasi.
Supaya yang jelas. Nomor 21.
Dalam diagram barang misalnya setiap sektor biasanya dibagi dalam bentuk garis.
Dalam diagram biasanya hitungan satunya bagus dalam bentuk apa? Hitungan satu dalam dalam biasanya dalam bentuk satunya. Misal suatu sudut itu biasanya apa satunya?
Derajat.
Berarti dalam diagram lingkaran juga harusnya sektor digunakan sama-sama itu. Dalam diagram lingkaran misalnya setiap sektor biasanya dinyatakan dalam bentuk derajat, tetapi juga dalam bentuk persentase. Okay, now we move to math. Okay, here is another question. I think there is topics related with mathematics. It's about math.
Okay, data that is grouped by types of categories is called individual data. Which set of data consists of whole number that can be counted one by one is called as discrete data. A diagram that uses circle to show set group is called data. So, how many students go at? So there's 5 students.
There are 5 students.
Okay, bar chart data. How many students travel to school? Walking, we have the burns. So each apple and each banana. So this means like orange. Bird.
Okay, yes.
Okay. For one banana equals 2 students. So the question is how many students grow bananas in school? So there is 6 students.
6 because there are 2 pictures of Okay, how about the question number 10?
Okay. 5 students brought rice, 3 bread, and 2 noodles for lunch. How many students brought lunch? So there is 5, 10.
10. Okay. 10 students. Next question number 11.
So 8 students walk to school and 6 ride bicycle. What is the difference number of students? So we minus 8 and 6 we get 2. We get the number difference.
Okay. Question number 12.
12. Okay. So 5 students like orange juice and then 5 like apple juice and 3 like mango juice. How many students like apple juice? So there's 8 students.
8 students. The students they like orange and like mango, right?
Yes.
Okay. This question, we need to how about this
We
question?
need to draw lines with the number from the value to the number. For example, like in the first one, the value so 4 straight line. So it's mean we need to draw a line to 4. What is it?
Oh, we mix the value with the
Yeah,
number.
mix.
Okay, I see. Would you mix this one?
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, next one.
You mix it.
Okay. So immediately so we have 9, so we draw 1 to 9.
Okay, I see.
Draw 1 here.
Yes. Okay, now move to science. What is this topic about?
So this is about the place and the set of the set of the space object.
Okay, have you ever in this topic you have learned about rotation? Rotation of Oh. Okay, question number 1.
What does the moon appear to rise in the east and set in the west each day? The moon rotates on its axis.
The moon rotates on its axis. Okay, number 2.
Who used a telescope to draw data about the classical object astronomer?
Okay, number 3.
Okay. What does the word spin means? It means right. So spin means turn in a circle.
Number 4.
Okay. Which of the following best describe an astronomer? Astronomer is a person who studies about space.
Scientist who studies space.
Yes.
Astronomers focus on what causes the moon to appear to rise in the east and set in the west each day.
Okay.
What is the answer?
The moon rotates on its and the earth rotates on its axis.
The earth rotates on its axis, not the moon.
Yeah.
Question number 5.
Okay. The earth, sun, and moon are spherical in shape.
Spherical shape. Number 6.
The moon stays 27 days to complete one orbit around the earth.
Okay, number 7.
Okay. The moon appears to move in the sky due to the earth rotation.
Number 8.
Number 8. Scientists use telescopes to observe objects in space.
Okay. Next question.
Okay, so what if many people in the past believe that the sun and the stars are revolve around the earth? So many people think that there will last time before we have technology like the telescope, last time people think in the past the one who is moved is the sun and the stars, but actually the one who is moved is the earth. They think of it because they have seen every day the earth rising from the east and setting from the So they have the opinion that sun is the one who is moving. Sun and the star is the one who is moving.
Oh, yeah, I finished. Okay, next question number 10.
Okay, what is meant by orbit in the current context of astronomy? So, orbit means it goes around something, for example, like the moon, or goes orbit the Earth. This is orbit the Earth.
Okay, question number 11.
What does the word apparent means? Seems real, but not actually true. Seems real, but not actually true.
Okay, it seems real.
Yeah, like the sun, like the people live in the past.
Like the movie of the sun.
Yes, it's true, but not actually true.
Okay, next. So, how to solve this question? Could you explain this concept of the question? Or this one? Yeah, this one.
Oh, this one, this is across and down. Okay, for this, it's
Okay, so you write the name of the things of these things in
yeah, the
this box.
planet objects.
Just name of these things, please.
Okay, the first is Mars.
Mars.
The red planet, and then the second star. The third is astronaut. And the fourth is Jupiter. Fifth, the one you go. Sorry, aliens.
Alien.
Yes, aliens. Sixth is comet. And the seventh is satellites. Eight, rocket. Six, comet.
It's a 6 boxes, 6 boxes.
Metal.
Yeah.
And it's number 8. Number 7 is satellite. Number 8 is comet. 9, Earth. And the 10 is sun.
Okay. Alright. I think we can move to summary point. I will open the summary point and please explain the point that you have made. Let's start from math first. Okay, this is explanation.
This one.
Yeah.
So data help us to understand and solve information. So by collecting data, help us to know about the information that we want to get. For example, you want to know your favorite toys, you can collect data by asking the information. Okay? So data help us to understand and know about the information.
Okay. Let's talk about the second summary about the charge, frequency, program, and knowledge. Could you explain and describe all these things?
The telly.
The telly, frequency table, programs, and knowledge.
Okay. So telly chart is a way to know something in the data handling. So it was like a mark. The mark was like a straight line in a group of points. So we reach the fifth data, it was the fourth telly. Okay. And then frequency table. Frequency table, so how many is item have been choose. So in the frequency data, we have 3 columns. The first is the name of the data, and then the telly, and the third is the frequency. So frequency means how many times the data has been chosen.
Okay, it's just like a telly number, but the telly from what in the number, right? The frequency.
Yes, the number.
I see. The term?
Okay, pictograms use one picture to show numbers. So pictograms is a picture that pictograms is a picture to show number, like the homework last time, in homework that we have done. So it's called as pictograms to learn about the data handling being more fun.
Okay. Number 4?
Number 4 is a bar chart. Bar chart is used bar to compare data clearly. So bar chart is like it's like the block to be block, like to say. So
It's rectangular chart. Right?
Yeah,
Bar.
rectangular bar. That's the information. Like color the bar is means how much how much is progressive.
Okay. Now we move to
Science.
science. Yeah, sure. Okay, here it is. Please, here that. Please explain this one for us.
Okay, the moon seems to move across the sky. So the moon the moon seems across the sky at night. It's because the Earth rotation actually. The Earth rotate from the west to the east, while the moon rising from the east to the west. So that's why.
Okay, but actually, both of them move, right?
Yeah, but then
Okay. How about this one? The moon doesn't make its own light. So why moon, as we can see in the night, have a light?
okay, so as we know that moon doesn't have its own light. Moon reflect the light from the sun.
Okay, so moon got the light from the sun and reflected.
That's why we see the moon is silent.
Okay. And this one, we see the different moon shapes. Could you explain any kind of moon shapes? Please?
Okay, so we can see the different moon in the moon base. For example, like the first is called as waxing prism, and then we can see the first quarter, and then the waxing gibbous, and then full moon, and gibbous, and last quarter, and the last is the warning prism.
Okay.
So we have seven stages.
Seven shapes. Seven phase. Okay, now we move to mathematical.
No, we don't have because it just reveals.
Oh, I see. So it's about assessment. Okay, I think we can move to analysis. Okay, Miss, now we move to vocabularies.
Okay.
We'll start from math first, since there is no mathematical because this week is about assessment. What is meant by categorical data?
Okay, so categorical data is data that is sorted by its type and group. For example, like the hair color, but the hair color categorical is black, brown, and blonde.
Okay, so this categorical data is something that cannot be counted.
Yes, can be counted.
Discrete data.
Discrete data is the data that can be counted. For like the number of something. For example, like 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that.
Okay, next Venn diagram.
Venn diagram is a diagram that served by its type and group as well. In the circle diagram, for example, like I'm doing the survey in my class, one circle so once the student who likes the dog as their favorite pet, and one circle so cat as their favorite pet.
Okay. I see. Question, I mean, theory chart.
Okay, so the lecture is we program something with the mark. Usually it was the straight line in a group of 5. After you reach the fifth data, we need to make a cross with the fourth data.
Okay. Next frequency.
Frequency is how many times something happened. How many times something happened. For example, like we're doing a survey. For example, I am doing a survey in my class. I'm asking my student of their favorite food, and the frequency of chicken is showing 6. So there is 6 students have choose chicken as their favorite food.
Okay. Next frequency table.
Frequency table is a table that showing how many for each items. How many for each item, for example, like we arrange the data in the table with the frequency, like with the name of the data, the tally, and the frequency. So it shows how many times each item has been chosen.
Okay. Now we move to science. Spin. What is mean by spin?
Spin means to turn in a circle. Turn in a circle. For example, like the Earth spinning the Earth spinning every 24 hours. That calls day and night timing.
Next, astronomer.
Astronomer is a scientist that learn about space. Usually, this astronomer using telescope to look at the stars and planets to study about them and doing research as well.
Okay, next, rising.
Rising means when rising moon. Do you mean rising moon?
Oh yeah, rising moon.
Okay, rising moon is when moon appears in the sky. So the moon rise from the from the east. Sorry, the moon rise from the east.
How about this one? Setting moon. Setting moon.
Yeah, setting moon. Setting moon is when the moon disappear. When the moon disappear from the sky, so the moon rising from the east and setting to the west.
Okay, so the moon rising from the east
And setting.
set to the west. Okay, Miss, I think that is all our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.
Just like